Hello guys, good day. Welcome back to my channel, and today we will release the RHC Engineering Tools Beam Analysis version 1.1, specifically sa assembly supported beam with uniformly distributed load. So ito. So marami yung update natin dito. So dati kasi wala tayong shear and moment diagrams, also the loads and deflection diagram. Pero sa ngayong version, mayroon na tayo dito, graph. Then also updated na to yung may mga condition tayo. For example, mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga condition dito. Okay? And by the way, sa mga new dyan, sa mga bagong viewers dyan, palike and subscribe naman. And also, pwede ninyo ma-share yung mga video natin sa YouTube channel para sa information ng lahat. Okay? And without further ado, let's continue to our discussion, to our tutorial. So, for previously, may same din yung input data natin. Then kapag mag-calculate tayo, magkaroon tayo ng result. Pero, mayroon tayong diagram na rito which is ma-update. So, by the way, meron tayong 50 or 49 na points. Medyo matagal during sa analysis. Not totally matagal, pero mag-wait tayo, okay? Then kapag i-click natin to, for example, considering this value, let's say 10 na lang, okay? Then calculate,
Please wait. Analysis is running.
magkakaroon kayo ng boses, makakarinig
Beam analysis done.
way, analysis is running. Then, once madan na yung analysis ng beam natin, meron kayong maririnig na beam analysis done. And also this prompt, yung message box natin. Then click okay lang din, ma-update na yung diagram natin dito. Ayan, as you can see. Then, yung value of course, yung value natin dito. Okay? Then, may mga condition akong nilagay rito. For example, ito yung F prime C. Maglagay ako ng negative 50 kasi wala namang negative 50 na ano. So, magpa-prompt siya. Pag i-calculate natin ito, sabihin na invalid input data, F prime C value mas greater than 0. Okay? Or, let's say, makalimutan natin ma-input. So, same din yan kasi act siya as 0 din. Okay? Then, same din sa lahat ng value. Kailangan hindi siya bumaba sa 0. Then, yung x value naman, kailangan lang, same din, hindi dapat bumaba sa 0. Then, also, hindi siya dapat sumobra sa L value. Okay? For example, mag-11 tayo rito. So, kapag i-calculate natin, may prompt tayo na invalid input data, x value must greater than 0 and not more than L. So, kasi more than L siya. Pero kapag itin natin yan, makakalculate
Please wait. Analysis is running.
nga, yun ang maximum value ng x na pwede natin ilagay.
Beam analysis done.
Okay? So, yung kagandahan. And also, may clear data tayo. So, same din. Mayroon tayong prompt na update na natin data clear. So, mag-calculate tayo ulit. Then, 25. Then,
Please wait. Analysis is running.
okay. So, very helpful to
Beam analysis done.
lalo na sa mga checking. So, for the meantime, first update natin was sa 1.1. Simply supported beams pa lang to. So, other loadings, so magano tayo din. Other types of beam support. So, itatry natin para sa mga sunod na version natin. Okay? Pero ito yung kumuli na ginagamit. Then, sunod, yung fixed supported beam with uniformly distributed load diagrams. Kasi, mostly yun ang ginagamit talaga during the analysis ng beam. Okay? And this simply supported commonly ginagamit to mostly actually, almost sa mga precast beam. Okay? all the precast beams is nakasimple supported yung connection niya. Then para sa mga cast and seat or cast in place, so fixed supported beam yung ginagamit natin. Although may nagde-design din ng simply supported para mas safer ang factor of safety. Okay? Yun lang.
Please wait, analysis is running.
Okay. So depende guys kung
Beam analysis done.
oh, medyo mga ilang seconds lang to yung analysis process natin guys. Hindi na rin masama. Hindi na rin matagal. Okay, so let's say 25, then say 10, then at 4 meters. Kukunin.
Please wait, analysis is running. Beam analysis done.
Okay. So maganda kasi mayroon na rin voice over. Voice message. Then as you can see yung mga naka-bold na yan, that is the maximum value. Okay? Maximum shear, maximum moment, maximum deflection. Okay? Then, for example, kung gusto niyo ipapasa, kasi, for example, ito, this is the deflection, I mean, sustain loads and additional live load. DL plus is DL2. So, ibig sabihin, kung i-check natin sa allowable, bagsak siya kasi yung maximum deflection natin is 115. Okay? Then, at 4 meters naman, 110 yung deflection niya, mm. So, kailan natin yan pala palakihin yung size. Commonly, yung dip yung dapat natin palakihin dito or increase. Okay, so
Please wait, analysis is running.
okay, as you can see, yung
Beam
difference,
analysis done.
okay, bumaba siya sa 27.03. So, as you can see, yung limit natin is 46.67 mm. So, pasado na siya. So, it should be your beam. Ito yung section. Okay? Tapos, if, for example, this is live load lang. So, ang allowable natin para sa level is 27.78. So, kung titingnan natin dito is pasado na siya sa allowable deflection as per the ICI code. So, yun lang kadali guys. Hopefully, sa next upload natin, ma-update pa natin to. Then, before tayo pala mag-update sa analysis, pwede natin yan i-diretso sa design na lang din. Design of beam. Lagyan natin to ng design. Okay? And sa mga susunod pa na pwede natin yan i-upgrade into the portable application, yung .exe na, pag may time na guys. Medyo busy lang. Okay? And yan, it's very helpful sa atin, especially sa mga students, pwede ito gamitin guys. Yun lang guys, thank you for watching, and for those interested na mag-join sa YouTube channel natin, sa community, you can join and avail this tool at level 2 membership. Okay? Lang. Thank you and God bless.